Can an LLC just be one person? Yes, an LLC can be owned by just one person. This is called a single member LLC. It provides the same liability protection as a multi-member LLC, meaning your personal assets are generally protected from business debts and lawsuits. For taxes, a single member LLC is treated as a disregarded entity by default. So all income and expenses are reported on the owner's personal tax return using Schedule C. However, the LLC can also elect to be taxed as an S-corporation or C-corporation, if that makes more sense financially. Single-member LLCs are popular with freelancers, small business owners, and entrepreneurs who want liability protection without the complexity of a corporation. Zen Business can help you form your single-member LLC quickly and handle the paperwork for you. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.